I'm Christy Fontanilla, Managing Partner of FAS Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Welcome to this video entitled, Your Construction Business May Not Be Doing as Well as You Think. This is the second of the 5 series of videos on this topic. The financial management for construction business is very unique and there are lots of moving parts. It is very important to focus on what financial information you need and how to capture this correctly to be able to make an informed and intelligent business decision. On this second video, I will discuss the importance of setting up correctly your chart of accounts in your financial information system and why correctly capturing and understanding your direct and indirect costs can make or break your construction business. Now, let's get started.
When I talk about chart of account, it's really more around identifying and categorizing the different cost components and expense component for your construction business. Of course, material is a big component of the job, right? So you want to make sure you're capturing that not at the part of the operating expense, but part of your direct materials. For you to be able to determine what is really your true cost, you have to capture correctly your materials, labor, and other expenses that's directly identifiable in that particular job or project. And that's why it's very important to set up your chart of accounts correctly. This is just a sample profit and loss, and this is how I kind of emphasize that it's very important to identify what are your direct materials and direct labor, because that should be above the line, which is here. So those are all your direct costs. Direct costs are all the costs directly identifiable for providing that product or service. So all your labor costs, your material costs, equipment rental, fuel, of course, those are all direct costs. So at the end of the month or at the end of the project, you know if you're reporting it correctly and having a good job order costing, you know how much it costs you for this particular job or project. And then the indirect cost, which is I call more the fixed cost, that's what keep the lights on, right? Those are fixed costs. Regardless if you have a project or not, if you're collecting money or not, you have to pay the bills on your rent, utilities. So you have to know what are your indirect costs every month so you can plan to with regards to your cash flow management. If there's no cash coming in, you're not able to collect, you need to know how much is your monthly fixed cost so you can plan in terms of, I need to get additional working capital to be able to fund this or pay for this indirect cost. So why do you need to set up your chart of accounts correctly? I mentioned this already, but just to reiterate it, you're able to really capture your direct costs. That's really very important. Capturing your direct costs, what's really your true cost for that particular project or job. And then you're able to see if you have, what's your gross profit? Do you have enough margin to pay for your fixed costs? And is this consistent with what you have projected for this particular project?
I hope you enjoyed this short video on understanding the importance of setting up your chart of accounts correctly and capturing and understanding direct and indirect cost. Again, I'm Christy Fontanilla, Managing Partner of FAS Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on our next video discussing the job order costing for your construction business. See you then.